What's up, YouTubers? Here with the 11th generation Honda Accord. Now, if you want to change the language display right over here, what you're going to go ahead and do is press the ignition button twice to activate all this. You're going to go ahead and move past this screen by pressing OK. Then what you're going to do is come over to the bottom right, press menu right over here. Using the scroll wheel left and right, you're going to scroll down till you get to language. Now, when you're down at language, you're going to go ahead and press on this button as such. And this will give you an option English, Spanish, and French. If you want Spanish, you're just going to go ahead and scroll down, press down one more time on this button, and now you see everything is in Spanish. This is how to change the language display on your infotainment system. Thanks for watching. Now, if you want to change back, again, you're just going to scroll through. In this case, it is this selection. You could also touch that, and you're going to select English as well. So you could use the touch screen as well. Not only the scroll wheel, but you do have the touchscreen selection. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.